all know the Ramayana, the great Indian epic. But there's very little tangible evidence confirming the existence of all its characters. And here lies the million-dollar question. Did talking apes really exist? If they did, how were such hybrid species, like talking apes, talking bears, or even birds, created in ancient times? Interestingly, Hindu temples across India often feature carvings of a mythological creature called Yali, a lion-like hybrid species. Even ancient Tamil texts refer to the existence of such hybrids. So the real question is, how was that even possible? Could they have been biologically engineered? Modern science is still trying to understand this, and though there are a few theoretical possibilities, nothing has been conclusively proven so far. Creating apes, man or hybrid animals or human is a topic that blends cutting-edge science, genetic engineering, neuroscience, and bioethics. While it's a popular concept in fiction like Planet of the Apes and Narnia, let's explore the real-world scientific possibilities and methods that could, theoretically or experimentally, enable such advancements. Okay, let's see what is genetic engineering. This allows precise editing of genes in embryos or adult cells. Scientists can add, delete, or modify genes from one species to another. Inserting human FOXP2 gene into apes has been tested in mice and monkeys to study brain vocalization pathways. Such changes might enhance vocal control, but apes still lack the laryngeal structure and neural wiring for full human speech. Genetic hybrids like ligers, which is crossbreed of lion and tiger, or zonkies, which is crossbreed of zebra and donkey, are already created via crossbreeding between similar species. Another method is chimeras. What it does. Chimeras are organisms containing cells from two or more species. Human, monkey embryos were created in China around 2021 but destroyed early, used to study development, not to create beings. Could help grow human organs in animals for transplants. Ethical lines prevent them from being born or raised. Another method is xenotransplantation and synthetic biology. Scientists can now grow synthetic tissues and organs by mixing species genes. We can also modify animals with human-like immune systems, used for disease research. And another method is cross-species cloning. Similar to Dolly the sheep, cloning apes with human gene insertions is theoretically possible but hasn't been ethically allowed. Even if physical clones are made, behavior and consciousness may differ drastically. Even though we have bunch of way of making hybrid animals with enhanced features, there are still many limitations. There are barriers in brain structure, vocal anatomy, viability, law and ethical problem. Still, some people may think, can humans produce offspring with animals? Answer is no. It is biologically impossible for humans to produce hybrid offspring with other animals, including apes like chimpanzees or gorillas, due to following barriers: genetic incompatibility, sperm-egg mismatch, cellular incompatibility. Even with cloning or artificial insemination, science has never created a human-animal hybrid baby in today's world. Okay, even if it's really hard to create hybrid species in today's world, then how it could be created and existed many thousands years ago? Whether ancient Indians were known or experts in these technologies, or they just lied to us. The very answer I got in one of the ancient Shiva temple in India, deep south in Tamil Nadu state. There is a mountain called Agathiar mountain. A mountain so sacred, it's said to be older than the Himalayas. It's a lush, spiritual heaven. Now it is a tourist spot known for its healing waterfalls, believed to ease anxiety and mental distress due to the herbal plants the water flows through. As per ancient Indian Tamil book, Lord Shiva and his son Lord Muruga and chief sage Agathiar once met in this mountain to develop a language, medicine, arts and science etc. to help humanity. Now you all know it's the best place I can get an answer for this question. I have been grown up in southern Tamil Nadu district and have been to this place so many times to take shower in waterfalls, but I have never entered this Shiva temple until this time. The temple is called Thirukuttarala Nathar Temple. Inside the temple's stone-pillared halls I saw carvings that left me speechless. Each pillar whispered a story, not just of gods, but of hidden science and hybrid mysteries. But to understand those carvings, we first need to know a little about Agathyar. Agathyar is considered one of the Saptarishis, 7 great sages. His name comes from the Tamil root Agathyar and in Sanskrit Agastya. He is believed to have been born from a divine pot called Kuduvai or Kumbha, hence also called as Kuduvai Sittar in Tamil and Kumbhayoni in Sanskrit. Keep in mind, as it is important point to remember, that he wasn't born as a regular child. In modern terms, you could call him the world's first test tube baby, a concept far ahead of his time. He is the founder of Siddha medicine, a healing system based on herbs, minerals, and spiritual energy. He guided humanity in agriculture, ethics, language, and governance. Agathyar was a direct disciple of Lord Shiva, receiving divine wisdom. In Siddha tradition, Lord Shiva is the Adi Guru, a chief master. He also had a deep spiritual connection with Lord Muruga, who is said to have taught him the Pranav mantra, Om. Okay, let's come to our context, whether he is related to Ramayana or not. Yes, Agathyar plays a vital role in the Ramayana also. When Lord Rama was in exile, he visited Agathyar's hermitage in the south. The sage blessed him and gave him divine weapons, including the bow of Vishnu, which would later help him defeat Ravana. Agathyar, thus, stands as a symbol of divine knowledge and protection, even in Rama's journey. Now that you know who Agathyar is, let's return to the Tirukutrala Nathar temple and uncover what the ancient carvings in those stone pillars are trying to tell us. Could it be the missing link between ancient myths and modern genetic science? Or our understanding about the prehistoric civilization was wrong? Whatever it is, this temple has lots of evidence that modern-day civilization should be aware of it. Hope you like this episode so far. Please subscribe, like and share with your friends. We will discuss about the pillar carving in detail in next episode. You may find the next episode link at the description.